Exclamation point giveaway. You can learn how it works if this is your first time to the 12-hour stream. What the hell is that?
Where did you find that?
Oh, I wouldn't ask somebody that might have a excess of these photos of and now I have these old ones.
Oh my God,
I don't
Jay
even know what you just
Dorsey.
said.
I wouldn't ask.
Jay Dorsey gifting
I wouldn't
10
ask Tool
subs
for these.
Whoa, Jay Dorsey. Not Jay Sam, Jay Dorsey.
Jay Dorsey, thank you very
Jay
much.
Sam
Jay
has,
Dorsey.
did anybody checked on him? Is he good? He hasn't been gifting us subs. That means something's
Yeah,
wrong,
is Jay Sam
right?
okay?
McAllister, I sent you a bunch on Discord.
Oh God,
Here we go.
We got a
He's
bunch
the
of different
anonymous
backgrounds
Just
to
me
try
and the
here.
boys.
Oh,
Yes.
thank you, Jay Dorsey. I
Perfect.
appreciate
Dude, we're
it.
so much bigger than you.
I know you're a little.
Metaphorically and physically.
Oh, Matt, here you go, buddy. Give him the pets.
That's good.
We look so uncomfortable in that photo. It looks like it hurts us.
It does. It has to.
Hey, you know what? It's okay. I can switch it up if that one bothers you. We got little baby Zach.
Oh my God, it is me.
Where did he get that?
Look at that. Look at little baby Zach.
I was such a munchkin.
Oh, he was. Hey, this was on your mother's Facebook. I found it.
Did you find any pics
Okay.
of his mom to put up there?
No, I didn't grab any of anybody with the Toasty Bros. Didn't want to bother. I didn't know who else cool. Because my other option was to take Ken and Photoshop my face on top of it.
McAllister, you had access to my iCloud. You could have gotten so many embarrassing pictures of everybody.
What's up, guys? Welcome everyone to the stream, guys. If you don't know how this works, again, exclamation point giveaway. I don't. Oh my God! Stop! No, not that picture. Oh no! Oh no!
Dude, it's so delayed for me.
He hasn't even put it.
waiting.
I just saw it. On the
Oh,
screen.
you know it's
It's
gonna
bad.
happen. Do you ship the PCs overseas? This is U.S. only for the giveaway. You guys should set
Do you
up
like
a
these
scene.
McAllister?
Why did it have to be the modified version?
Because I don't have the original version.
Oh man!
I'm scared to know what the modified version is.
Nice group of friends in a single room.
Anything could happen.
Anything could happen.
Anything silly, anything goofy.
Kelsey, I don't like you laughing, and I'm not seeing anything change.
I've got some. No,
Where did you get all these?
I have my sources.
Oh
Oh.
my God!
I only sent him a couple. Don't
All
worry.
right, all right, so we're having fun with this for a minute, and then we'll go build a.
Let me edit this back.
What is that?
You'll see here in a second. How do I edit again?
It's like you can't really
Edit background. Move what? Somebody getting their little hair done.
Is that me at Fantastic Sam's?
Yes.
Oh, I remember that. Freaking Casey just randomly showed up, sat in one of the chairs, and was just recording me getting my hair cut.
Oh my God.
That's the most uncomfortable I've ever been. Is Zach the guy that got the PC signed? What kind of hard drive? Oh, it's Zach. What kind of hard drive do I need to get to be compatible? I think like 80. I mean, really anything as long as it fits. I would go with like a 2.5-inch SSD though.
What's next?
No, I'm not showing you.
Yeah, you can't. You guys have to be surprised.
I mean, I see it pretty quick.
If you need more McAllisters, let me know.
Let's see.
Check
here.
out the preem pic I sent to McAllister. Prom.
Oh my God.
Oh God.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. Nothing's changed.
Nothing. This is pretty.
Oh, you remember when Casey did that thing where he face swapped all of us? With
That's
this?
the one.
I got
That's
you.
the one that he was getting ready to put on there, and I was like, "Why don't you have the original version?" He has that version.
Dude, I don't think anybody has the original.
It's so bad. Oh no.
So wait, what was the order? So I'm on Casey.
Casey's
you're-
on me.
And then, is that me on you? No.
I'm on you.
I want to be on.
Wait, who's on Matt?
I guess.
Some guy walking in the back.
Oh no.
I guess Casey's on you, and then you're on me.
Yeah.
You're in me.
Skies, thank you so much to the gifted sub, man. I appreciate
Why
it.
does the gifted something look so fancy?
I appreciate all gifted subs. Like, I know this is like really ridiculous right now. We're kind of having fun, but
We're at 269 subs. No more, no less, please.
no more, no less. We need more subs. But yeah, we have a PC. Do we even have it set up on the table in there? We don't even have it ready, so it is what it is. We'll go in there in a
Dude,
minute.
I just freaked out because I thought for a second I didn't move the other PC.
Oh,
But we're
I have
good.
not shown anything yet. In there,
Oh,
so
okay.
You're good. You're good.
I had that thought though. I'm just like, oh.
Yeah, that would have been bad.
How does this giveaway work? So do exclamation point giveaway. It's very simple.
All right. I'll be fair. I'll put some in on me.
Oh,
That's-
you have something?
Oh, you have
Oh,
some
I've
of you.
got bad photos of myself. Yeah.
Yeah, you have some of him.
Here's where, yeah.
Driver Cashboy is asking for a sub. Can someone here give him a sub?
Are you the cash cab?
Just
Are
so
you
you
Cash
know,
Cab?
if you get gifted a sub, you do not receive toast.
Yes, you
That's
have
the
to
one
sub
to gift.
yourself or gift a sub to receive the toast. Just an FYI.
Or
The
sorry,
stream.
gift
Oh yeah,
card.
it's gonna be a lot of fun.
What is this one?
This is me fucking awkwardly trying to smile at a camera. No, wait, can I get the 0? Come on. There we go.
I just love
And
this
then
production.
Zoom.
Watching him try to move things.
We do it live. Oh
McAllister,
my
it's
god.
dude, it's called drag and drop.
Hey, look, it's little old me.
Look at little
Dude, what is your
McAllister.
hair?
Bad.
Like, I told you to go like medium short, and this kind of what I pictured. Just don't do that again.
Yeah, I know. Listen, I know it's bad. I don't really have any great, terrible ones in me, so I usually delete them.
Drip.
Channel points are not toast. No,
Someone
toast
said
is
you
a
got
separate
drip.
system. If you type in exclamation point giveaway, you can learn how to do all that.
Calcium looks like John Wick right now, just wearing just the top part.
It kind of has that vibe about
Yeah.
it.
Oh, my stream's buffering.
Oh boy,
That's a bad one.
That
Yeah.
one's
I don't know
bad
what I
one.
was feeling that day, but I was definitely feeling myself for some reason. I can't. All right, let's
Anonymous Harry, what's up, man?
What is the best CPU/GPU combo for single streaming setup running high
Oh
FPS
my
games? Do 5800X in like a 3070, 3080. Oh my god.
What a handsome lad that is.
You were feeling yourself?
He said he
Dude,
was.
I respect that.
You know, I had confidence at one point in my life.
It's
and
a
there it
nice
was.
background.
You know what else is a nice background? This.
Oh my.
Just got a little Jackson.
Well, Jackson.
Jackson being brooding. that's the face of a
Real
face of a
Twin
man
Sig
who's
with a
done-
Twitch Prime sub.
That's a man who commits arson right there. That is the face of an arsonist.
Oh.
Dude, I can see that on clips with the like burnt edges like moving in, and then it's like Jackson at age 13 escaped
killed
juvie for the
30.
first time. The barefoot bandit.
Do you lose your toast every time you enter? Yep.
Yes, you do.
I sent you another one, McAllister.
All right, we'll do one more, and then we got to build a computer.
We don't have to.
We
Oh,
don't
guys,
have to do
we're almost at level 3 hype train.
I know,
Literally
just keep going.
97%.
Apparently,
Come
this
on.
is working, so you
Give
all
us some
keep
biddies
subbing.
or something. If you want the next photo reveal,
Oh, this is the one.
is that what we need to do? We need to do like worse and worse photo reveals based on the sub number until we're naked. What is, oh my god. Dude, I forgot about
can
this.
Can I get the whole thing in?
Can you zoom out?
Let's go ahead.
Oh, there you go.
I'll just move to the right, and then I'll sit off to the right.
Dude, I'm just saying back then you guys didn't want me.
Dude, you can't see it, but right below,
Wet,
right below
juicy,
here, it
think
says,
of the-
prepare to be terminated. if you want,
McAllister, just like you said, I used to be confident. That was my Tinder
Confident.
picture.
that was it. Oh my god. dude, I
No,
love
it
that.
was
That was
not.
that-
I never
Thank you for the
used-
next level hype train. I appreciate it. I don't even know if I have the right whistle, but
It says me. I think that
Oh,
means
here we
you,
go.
right? Me. Oh, we're level
wow,
4.
this is quality.
All right, chat. If we keep the donations up, Zach will start sending lewd pictures.
There they are.
It
Little
was-
boys.
Zach, me, and is that you, Matt?
Yeah.
Zach?
That was
You look like Noah
pretty
from dude. My look how
I can't
my
even-
screen's tiny.
I can't shit on you for
I have
this
it
one.
on this that I've been watching the whole time.
I can't shit on you for this one. This one's actually pretty good. This
Oh,
is,
dude, the drip is
The drip
mad.
is real.
and
We were
because-
dressing. Call us
Are
ranch.
you wearing suspenders, Matt?
Yeah, I was wearing suspenders,
Huh.
dude. I was ready to go.
I think
Were we invited to the same prom? I don't even remember this.
That
This is Eastern prom.
Oh, was it?
Yeah,
Yeah.
that was senior prom.
I think just to make sure everyone in the office is getting a fair amount. I don't think he'd expect me to throw one up here, so
You need one of me.
I need one of I had one of Zach Sheehy here.
Oh,
Just to mess
here
with
you
him.
go.
Yeah, there we go. Save image.
Not gonna lie, he dripping. Dude, we dripping. Funny dudes in a suit. What's that supposed to mean?
What's that supposed to mean? Do we look silly and goofy?
Oh, that file wasn't usable in this. Damn. Zach, you win this time.
You know, I realized I didn't get a single photo from Noah's wedding. I took photos for 2 hours with them, and I do not have a single
You
one.
have a
to show
single
for it.
one? Wow.
Nope.
Oh,
I guess-
McAllister, I have such a good one of myself.
Is it the shower one?
No.
Oh.
I don't know if I can show that one.
Dude,
What is
you
this
can't even
one?
see anything. You just see your hair and your hand.
What the heck is going?
This Matt's in there with Jackson.
What is that?
Look at the most recent one I sent you,
I
McAllister.
think it's in my basement, and we're just sitting
Oh
there.
my god. Yes, thank you, Zach. This stuff. Woo.
What the hell? Oh no, not that one.
I like how we have our initials above our name. I like how Eminem
All right, so toast system, guys. If you type in exclamation point toast, it gets whispered to you. And at the end of the day, when the giveaway comes around, you'll get a chance to enter. And if you have enough toast, you can enter. If you don't, you can't. What the hell?
Can I flip it? Wait.
What are you wearing?
Wait, we're gonna get there.
I'm wearing a Santa hat.
I can't flip him to the right. I can only flip him left to right.
Santa hat with ears?
I was in like 6th grade, okay?
Oh,
That's
little
not what I
buddy.
asked.
Yeah, little red hair. He was
Look at
wearing
the little
beanies
buddy.
back then, boys.
Look at little
Is that
Zachy.
like a Santa hat with earmuffs built in?
I think so. Pretty cool, huh?
Zachy Zag.
Yes.
Dude, he was just a
I
little.
didn't realize the freaking background changes.
I don't know, it changes colors. It's great.
Let's see. One last one, and I think we got.
I remember that
Dude,
night.
he looks like he's drugged.
Oh my god.
I just look so lost.
He was not under any physical
Dude, he
duress.
looks naked. He just has no facial.
Well, I remember going to that
He
game. It
just
was like
woke up
raining
from
the
a
entire
3-day bender,
time.
and he's just now remembering what it was. There we go.
He's waking up in 4th of July, New Year's Eve.
I don't even know where I'm at.
Yo, oh snap! Thank you for the tier 1 sub, man.
Guys,
Appreciate
we're
it.
at 23% with a minute 40 left. Someone's gonna have to go crazy with the subs, or we're not.
Go
completing.
crazy.
Oh.
Can we get more Toasty
Look at
Rose
that.
lore?
Dude,
That's
Jackson's
oh
hair.
my.
You guys
That
you
is
guys weren't even
classic.
on yet.
Dude,
We
legends
were doing
still.
YouTube right here.
That's
You guys-
classic. Oh my god.
Legends say he still has this Grinch shirt.
It might be somewhere.
If we get this hype train finished, he will buy this shirt and he will wear it on stream next time.
You still have this shirt? You think you can put it on?
Probably not.
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
The production value of this stream is only getting better.
Oh, they really are, dude. Every stream we have a minor upgrade. The next stream, McAllister's not going to be here, and that's going to be the upgrade.
Oh my god.
Oh.
I'm sorry, man. I woke up like thirsty.
You woke up wild. That's that Taco Bell breakfast you had. That's what it is.
I just found the most embarrassing picture of myself. I don't want to send it.
Oh, come on, just do it.
No,
Low
you
quality.
did that. You.
This
okay,
is a
now
major
that-
okay,
upgrade,
chat, if
Bandit. I
Zach
don't know what
sends
you're talking
this-
about.
You better complete the hype train.
Jackson, I want you to come see these.
Okay. These.
There's this. Which is already bad because the caption just makes it even worse. Just
You
looking.
have a picture of Matt shirtless.
It's because I have pictures of everybody.
Oh my. I know what all that's from. We can't leak that.
No, I know. I wasn't even in there, and I know everything.
No,
about
that's
it.
not from that.
You don't need it to be from that. That doesn't no.
Ooh, that one's good.
Hey, move from being like a funny. That doesn't need to be the no.
It's like no,
No.
stop it. What's the first game of the day? I'm not sure. We have a pretty decent game list, so we'll just see what it is when we get to it. Of course,
let's
we gotta
get a good
build
one
the
at
PC
Jackson.
first, but yeah, we'll be playing some games later.
Is it more I'm in Mr. Coombs' class with my pants down?
Yeah.
Man, you can't get away with that these days in school.
You can't.
You really can't.
Zed, we just can't ship
is that? Is
PCs
that you,
to
McAllister?
Africa. Like,
Yeah, I
we
thought
don't
for a little
have
bit that I
any
might want to wear
idea how much it
glasses, so I
costs.
tried on some glasses,
It's
and this
very
was my
expensive.
attempt. That was yeah. Here, let's go. Stand here. Wait, I'm
Same
kinda closer
person.
So I can look. Yeah, about. Yeah. So I thought I should wear glasses, and that was my attempt.
Tina,
You know
thank
you
you so
kinda
much for
look
the
like in
Twitch
that
Prime
photo.
sub.
Who?
You kind of look like
Anonymous,
Shred.
no, we cannot.
Kind of like a sussy baka.
Wet Juicy,
Can you see
read
it, Zach?
the Imgur.
Little shroud in that
There's
photo.
a disclaimer that during the main stream, our bot does get delayed. You have like 12 hours for the bot to actually distribute Toast. It may actually do it, but if you sub during the stream, there's a chance it will get bugged and you may have to wait. It's a thing we have to deal with.
Some of these don't come over, Zach, so I can't use them. just so
And it
you know.
rewards the
That's
people who actually come to our streams, not the giveaway stream, you know? Not just come to the giveaway stream and never come back.
Why they don't
I
do
want to sit on the
international?
couch with the boys. Wait,
You want to
hold
sit on the
up.
couch with the boys?
I can sit on the couch with the boys.
What?
Hey, how far can you go before it? It's so small.
I want to sit on Matt's. Yeah, I'm sitting in your lap. How's it going?
Little stepson.
Step boy. BP things.
Dude, now the chair. It was just the chair for a second.
There we
my
go. I wanted
God.
to sit on Dad's lap. That's all I wanted. I wanted to be
Oh,
part of the
man.
fan group. I just, I wasn't there in that day.
You know, you weren't born yet.
I wasn't even born yet. Yeah, guys, they're fucking boomers.
All right. Who's ready to build a computer?
No one.
Not me, but I think we should.
His hair flipped to the other side.
Just, I want to be next to my best man.
Dude,
Normal pictures
this
the worst part.
Dude, this looks like one of those ones where it's like he did 10 years in prison and now he's a.
Oh wait, let me
changed
give you the
man.
slow zoom. Wait, hold up. So start saying it again.
What?
Just,
Oh,
I'm gonna do this.
Okay. Well, Help me out here. What's a good line?
In jail for arson.
He is no longer allowed near school.
Yeah, just disclose it.
This is the guy your mom warned you about.
Look at those pillowy lips.
Don't let them fool you. This guy's a trained killer.
Guys, can you pick my nose for me?
Oh yeah, I got you. Just...
Dude, he can fist your nose.
Oh my god. Oh, he's right up there.
Yeah.
Oh God.
In jail for excessive Chadism.
I like that one.
All right. Well, I'm out. So I'm just gonna go. I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna go.
Let's go build a PC.
It's been
All right.
nice. It's
I
been
think
nice
that's our
knowing you
cue.
all. Bye.
I gotta delete these real quick. Move.
Do you like my prop comedy?
Yes, I like that. That's great. All right. Film room.